Alright ladies, so we this is that final part of the factorising packet that we didn't get to last time. Okay, so remind me what we're doing when we're factorising things. Putting things into brackets. And how do we do that? We're looking for what? How do we put things into a bracket? What are we looking for? No one other than what we've been doing for the last lesson or two. Here we go.
Well, either something that you want to use to create something, like you want to have it, like you did get it from somewhere else. But you add it to the equation.
How do we get it from somewhere else? You don't substitute something. When you're factorising, you're looking for what? Having common terms, something that's common. Yes? Do you understand that concept?
Yeah.
Yes? So remember, when we had something like this, if we had 12x plus 18, and we were trying to factorise it, remember, we're looking to see what number or letter goes into both 12x and 18. Who knows what number or letter goes into both of those? Ariana?
4.
Not 4 doesn't go into 18. Imani? 6. Okay, so 6 is going to be our common factor. That's the thing that's going to go at the front of the bracket. And then remember, what's left inside the bracket is what we have to multiply the 6 by to get back to that original expression. So what we have at the beginning, Emily?
2x.
2x, and then
3
plus 3. Good. So we have completely factorised that expression. Okay, so we fully factorised it. There's nothing else common to the 2x and the 3. And if we were to expand this, we would get back to our original expression. Okay, so that's what we're doing when we're factorising. We're looking for common things. Now,
Miss Harrison?
yes.
But something can go into 6 and 3. I thought you said that if you fully factorize, there won't be anything that you could.
The 6 with the front we had 2x plus 3.
Oh,
So nothing goes into these two things in the bracket.
the bracket.
Okay. So, well, what's different here? So the thing that's different here is that we've got essentially two terms, but both of those two terms have a bracket attached to it. Okay? So we actually wouldn't expand our brackets here. Okay? We wouldn't expand our brackets because do you notice anything special about the brackets? They're both exactly the same. So this bracket is the thing that is common. Okay? Can we see that? So we've got 2 lots of x plus a plus p multiplied by that same bracket. The thing that's common is the bracket. So if I secretly had said to you, whoa, 2t plus pt, okay, 2t plus pt, would you be able to factorise this expression?
Yes.
What's common? T, so the t goes to the front. What are we left with?
2 plus p.
Okay, now, do we see that this resembles this? We've got 2 lots of something, 2 lots of t, plus p lots of something, plus p lots of t. So essentially what we're saying is the t represents that bracket. Do we get that? Yes? So, when we are factorising this expression, we're going to actually bring the x plus a to the front, and we're then left with 2 plus p. So the bracket is what is common, and what's left goes inside the other bracket. So here we don't have just one bracket, we actually end up with 2 brackets. This is still factorising, because factorising is looking for common things and just rewriting the expression in a different way using brackets.
So we have to put the x plus c in the bracket.
Yes. because the x is multiplied by this whole bracket and the, oh, I didn't mean, oh yeah, sorry. So the 2 is multiplied by that whole bracket. Oh, shush now, I've erased all of my colours. Oh, that's fine, you'll have it. Yes? But yes, you must put the x plus 8 in a bracket because that's kept as a unit together.
Can you put a plus in between?
No, because we are actually multiplying. See, we didn't put a plus in between here, did we? No? So the principle is the same thing. Because the t represents that whole bracket, we just keep it together. Yes? Alright, next one. Hopefully, we're getting the gist of this. Okay, Hannah FL.
Wait, could you just wait for a little bit, please? Thank you. Wait, we're done.
Darling, that's going to take quite a long time.
I
Try
know.
really hard to get it written down while it's up there. Okay? That's the answer, that's it. Okay?
The other one is backwards.
Yeah.
So, Hannah FL, what is common in this one?
Y plus 5.
Good, so that's the bit that's going to go to the front. And then,
And then in another bracket, R plus 4.
love it. Yep. Now, the funny thing is, I say funny, not really, because when we'll come to a test on this kind of stuff, and no, this stuff is not in the percentages test, when we come to a test on that, people just forget, and they start expanding and rearranging, and it all goes horribly wrong. Okay, so please, 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 I'm saying now, I'm being recorded saying this, keep an eye out for these kinds of questions, because they may well come up, and the method itself is super straightforward as long as you're recognizing that you have the same bracket. Don't see a bracket and immediately try and expand it. Okay? As I've said, I've seen it so many times. Just please, please, please try and keep an eye out, please.
Will it say factorize?
Yes, we'll say factorize. Next one. Okay, I'm picking up Kelsey. What's common here?
The 7 minus F.
Lovely. So what will I write?
7 bracket, 7 minus F.
Yep.
Another bracket.
Yep. We just finished.
Yes, please do.
A plus B
Careful.
minus B.
Good girl.
Yeah.
I guess we're nice.
Yeah. Hands up if you have got a school bought laptop. Hands up. Okay, 3 of you. You need to come either tonight at 4 o'clock or Thursday at 4 o'clock, room 29, with a parent. If you can't come, that's okay, but your parent must be there. Ideally you will be there, but your parent must be there. If you can't make either of those nights, the parent, then you need to email Mrs. Booker. Who wants to bring their own laptop? Okay. Once we've got all the bought people sorted, then we're going to have a sign-up sheet for you to sign up your name to say...
Right. Sarah, what about this one?
Okay, so go to the brackets, inside the brackets. So you'll do first bracket, x plus 4, then another bracket. And then next to it, you'll do another bracket with a 3, then take away, and then x, and then a bracket.
Lovely jubbly. Okay, pretty straightforward, yes? We excited about that?
Yeah.
That it's nice and easy? Right, I think I've got a few questions for you to practice just that.